Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this spring look. I am featuring the new Fenty Beauty lip color in Unattached. It's a beautiful color. I am also using the Fenty Beauty Flyliner. I love it, as well as the new NARS Creamy Foundation. I will link all the products that I use below, but if you are interested in seeing me get this look, just keep on watching. And now I'm going to put the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin. And then now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I am using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. So I went ahead and I finished both of my brows. I've been using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set is a volumizing brow mascara in the color Light Brunette. Put some liner in my waterline, black liner, and this is the Infallible L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Never Fail Eyeliner 16 Hour. And this is the Morphe M421. It's really small. I think I'm going to go into the color Soft in the palette. And I'm just going to quickly just take a little bit and put it all over my lids. I'm extending it out kind of like a little wing. See, something really simple. I'm going to go ahead and take my blending brush. I just bought this brush. It's the Morphe 433 brush. I think I'm going to go into low blow. I am going to take this Sephora 157. This is an airbrush concealer, but I like to use it on my eyelids. So I'm going to take Chaser, which is the color to the left of Sauce, and I am just going to put it between my brow bone and the color just to get a really nice blend. The Morphe G18 brush. I'm going to take the Ashes color, which is like a dark plummy purple. I'm just taking a little tiny bit and I'm tapping it, and I'm just going to put it on the outer V of my eye. So and then I'm going to go back to my Morphe M433. There's nothing on it, and I am just going to do a quick blend. I think I'm going to take a little bit of Chaser. I'm not going to do like a cut crease or anything. I'm just going to just lighten right here. Morphe M433 brush, and I am just going to just kind of blend everything. The Flyliner Fenty Beauty. I've already used this a few times and I am in love. So I am back. I did both of my Wayne's aligners. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back into Ashes, and I am just going to quickly just kind of darken this outer V right here. Sephora 57, a mixture of chaser and salt. And we're back. So I love the way the eyes came out. I think I'm gonna do one side with the beauty blender and then one side with the brush. Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen, I am shooketh. Okay, so I applied this side obviously, right, with the beauty blender. So I wanted to kind of give it a try, half beauty blender, half brush, just to see what I feel like. I already have concealer on, but my, oh my, this foundation is bomb. And when I say bomb, I mean bomb, and like, whoa, it's freaking amazing. I got the sample because I think it's like $50, the foundation, or like $48, I don't know. And I was like, I ain't gonna be spending no $48 on no foundation, like maybe 15 in the drugstore, 12, 13, because, you know, I am a working teacher. But I think this is really worth it. And again, I don't wear makeup every day. I mean, I don't wear foundation every day. But ladies and gentlemen, this is freaking amazing. I'm gonna use a brush on this side just to see what I like more, but let's see. Oh my lord. Alright guys, so we're gonna move on to concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in medium 25. I am shook with this foundation. Like, what? I know I had heard great reviews online, and like other YouTubers, they use it and they're like, oh my god, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer is amazing, full coverage. I guess I'm used to medium coverage because this is hella full coverage. Like, wow, wow, wow. I'm like shook. Alright, so I'm gonna set my face with the Maybelline New Master Fix Setting Perfecting Loose Powder in Translucent. This is what it looks like. And then we're gonna go ahead and contour the face. I am still using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium deep matte bronzer. We're gonna go ahead and apply some blush. I am using the Tarte Party, and this is like my usual blush color. I'm not really like into changing my blush colors. This is a Morphe 435 brush. It's a blush brush. Just down, 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 tap, tap, tap. Press Waterproof in the color Very Black. Alright, so I'm just gonna put just a little bit of this one. This one has a different brush. But I couldn't put these on for the life of me with the magnets. I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in Clear with Aloe. And there we have it. Just gonna take a little bit of the telescopic mascara just to kind of blend my lashes with my NYX lip liner in the color, what color is this? Nude pink. Beautiful color. It's my first time actually trying this color. Wow, beautiful. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Amrezi highlighter. And take whatever is left on the eyeshadow, the M433, and I am just going to quickly run that on my lower lash. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna go do my hair and